200 micrograms of this mineral every morning right after breakfast with a teaspoon of olive oil can reverse kidney disease completely. Welcome to Double O Kidney. If you are new here, my name is Catherine and I've been working with people suffering from kidney problems for almost 10 years now. Today, we are going to see how to use one of the most underrated minerals on earth to restore kidney function. Recent study linked this mineral both to a rapid increase in GFR and also to a whopping 13% decrease in creatinine that was obtained in just 6 weeks. This is an essential mineral that's present in this tasty snack you see here. And in really few other foods actually. And yes, this very recent study used this remedy to achieve what many experts still consider impossible: reversing kidney disease. And it really surprises me that I've never talked about this mineral here, because it really works. This study was published very recently, but the data is really solid. What the researchers wanted to prove here is a link between low serum levels of this essential mineral and impaired renal function. And they not only were able to prove this to be true, they are also telling us that the way this key mineral will improve kidney function is by directly lowering inflammation and oxidative stress. And one of the reasons this mineral is so useful for us is our soil. We used to get plenty of this mineral nutrient in our food, but the soil is so depleted now that getting enough of this mineral is a concern even for the general population. Following a plant-based diet is another reason why you may have low levels of this key mineral. As I was saying, only this nut you see here and a few other foods are good sources of this nutrient. Actually, a low intake is found in most developed countries and is associated not just with a faster decline in kidney function, but also with increased cardiovascular mortality, increased inflammation, but also with ED in men. Research also tells us that those in dialysis and those with gut health problems are way more at risk for a deficiency in this key nutrient. Don't worry, all this can be solved by supplementing one essential mineral. The mineral they used to reverse kidney disease in this study is selenium. Selenium is a powerful mineral that is essential for the proper functioning of your body. It plays a critical role in metabolism and thyroid. And as we have seen, so many people have low levels of it. But guys, don't go away now. What you should know before taking selenium is that there is another natural remedy they paired with selenium to get the incredible achievement of reversing kidney disease. I will show you everything you need to know about this key nutrient and the exact doses you will need in the next part of the video. Before that, a very important question. What happens to your kidneys when you start to supplement selenium? Selenium is a powerful antioxidant and you will notice a difference, especially if you have low levels of it, which is common. Starting to eat more foods rich in this mineral means that your kidneys are now more protected from oxidative stress, and that's great to keep them healthy. Selenium may also lower markers of inflammation in your body, one of the main risk factors for kidney disease. These powerful antioxidant benefits are also great to keep your heart healthy. Oxidative stress and inflammation have been linked to atherosclerosis, or the buildup of plaque in arteries, and selenium can help. One last benefit: when your selenium intake goes up, your blood sugar will go down. A study showed that taking a 200 micrograms selenium supplement reduced insulin levels and improved insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. What not many people know is that selenium can be used to greatly improve thyroid function. Never underestimate this benefit. If you have CKD, your thyroid is very likely not working like that of someone with healthy kidneys, and this can make kidney disease progress faster, according to studies. Researchers have been studying the correlation between kidney and thyroid function in depth, and it appears clear that almost every single CKD patient has an underactive thyroid gland. This is a direct cause of kidney damage. And while I encourage everyone to get checked regularly for thyroid function, taking a selenium supplement can really help here. And improving thyroid function is a way to improve kidney function according to several studies. Some more good news. You don't even need to supplement it if you don't want to. There is just one food that you want to eat more of if you want to get more selenium. What foods are the best sources of selenium? There are just a few good sources for this essential mineral that are also suitable for a renal diet. Because while selenium is present in fish, beef, and poultry, I will not recommend you to eat protein-rich foods to get selenium. What I will recommend you to eat is this very healthy superfood. These are Brazil nuts. They are not very easy to find, but many well-stocked grocery stores carry them. They taste really good and are a great snack. Not to mention that science considers this tasty snack a true healing food. Thanks to its incredible nutritional profile, this nut can help fight high cholesterol, can lower blood sugar levels, and lower inflammation in the body. These amazing benefits are mainly due to nutrients found in them. First of all, Brazil nuts are incredibly rich in selenium. There is almost more selenium in one of these than in one of these. And it's very bioavailable too. Brazil nuts are a highly effective way to maintain or increase your selenium intake. In fact, one study in 60 people found that eating just 2 Brazil nuts per day was as effective as taking a selenium supplement at raising selenium levels. Seriously, it would be better to treat Brazil nuts as a supplement rather than a food, given that just 2 of these have around 200% of your daily dose of selenium. You should never eat this superfood with abandon. That will result in the risk of selenium toxicity. Now, there is one last thing you absolutely need to know before adding selenium or Brazil nuts to your treatment. What they used to lower creatinine by 13% in the study I've mentioned earlier is not selenium alone. They added another key nutrient. The key nutrient they use in combination with selenium to improve kidney function is CoQ10. Guys, I bet that many of you following me regularly are already taking CoQ10, especially those of you that are taking statins or that want to lower their blood pressure naturally can benefit from taking coenzyme Q10. And yes, combining CoQ10 with selenium is a way to greatly lower your creatinine levels according to research. And if you are not taking CoQ10 already, in my video up here, I've shared with you everything you need to know about this miracle remedy. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.